Well, today I woke up and I started to get ready for work, and then when I got in the vehicle, turned everything on, turned the headlights on, and my passenger side headlight no longer works. So I'm going to take you with me through how do we change this bulb. It's easy, it's simple, and we're going to save a lot of money. That way we're not paying somebody at Jiffy Lube or the mechanic shop to do it. So let's go ahead outside, take a look at everything, and then I'll show you how it's done. The first thing we're going to have to do is open up the door and lift the hood release. From there, the little latch deals right underneath. Pop open the hood. Boom! Look at that beautiful engine. Yeah, she's been through some stuff. Next, we look up here for our safety little stick. Make sure we put that on down so that way the hood doesn't smack us in the back of the head. And the headlight in question is in that box. And we just need to get the old one out. I've always been told that whenever you do any kind of headlight repair for your truck, it's very important to make sure that you put on gloves. That way the oils from our skin does not get on the bulb itself. So we're going to go ahead and latex on up. As you can see, it's a little toasty, so my hands are not going in well. So the headlight should just unscrew. Just pop that bad boy right out. Just trying to see here what might possibly be going on, but the headlight looks like it burned out. So now we need to open up the new one. See here that all looks pretty good. I like to compare the new one to the old one to make sure that nothing changed and they are the identical bulbs. From there, what we're going to do is put the new one to the side so we don't lose it. And then we're going to take and pull this little red tab right on out. So we pull that out, put it to the side so we don't lose it. And then from there, all you got to do is just press the little tab button and then the old light will come right on out. See right there, there's the tab. Make sure you press that in nice and good, and it should just pop right on out for you. And putting the new one in is just as simple as lining up the groove, pushing it in place just like so, taking the red tab, sliding it back on in, and making sure we hear that click. This part's a little bit more annoying because you have to line up the groove slots. Once you get it lined up, all you do is just twist the headlight to the left, and boom, you're in business. And there you go. We're all finished. I left everything live action so you could see exactly how long it took. This is a super easy repair. In my opinion, it's not worth paying somebody to change the light bulb on your car. I mean, I'm sure there's probably a iteration of a vehicle out there somewhere that's really annoying to deal with, but the Chevy Express is so much easier. It's a work vehicle. It's meant to be worked on because things are going to break because it's going to be used a lot more than a normal personal car. But headlights are super easy. Hopefully you found this helpful, and if it helps you fix your headlight, let me know below.